Hi kids! Let's learn numbers and animals. How many cute rottweiler puppies do you see? 1. One cute dog. And how many sheep do you see? 1, 2. Two sheep. How many beautiful little kittens are in the picture? 1, 2, 3. 3 little cats. And how many wolves are in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wolves. How many starling birds do you see on the strings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 birds. How many swans are in this picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beautiful swans. And how many ducks are on a tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ducks. How many wild geese fly together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 wild geese. How many cute meerkats do you see in the picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 meerkats. And how many green parrots do you see in flight? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 birds. Well done. Thanks for watching. See you.